In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Depop account 2025, step by step. If you're ready to close your Depop account, I'll walk you through the exact flow on the website so you know what to click and what to expect. Before you start, it's a good idea to make sure you don't have any open orders, pending payouts, or unresolved disputes. Account deletion requests are typically processed by Depop's support team, so having everything wrapped up helps avoid delays. Begin by heading to depop.com and signing in with your usual login details. Use the same credentials you use for the app. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, have your verification method handy so you can complete the login smoothly. Once you're signed in, look for your profile area, usually at the top right. Click on your profile to open your account menu. From there, go straight into Settings. This opens your account and app preferences page, where you can manage privacy and support options. Inside Settings, find the link that says Need Help and click it. This takes you to Depop's Help Center, where you can access official guides and contact options. In the Help Center search bar, type, "How do I delete my Depop account?" This is the fastest way to pull up the official instructions. In the search results, click the article titled, "How do I delete my Depop account?" This article explains Depop's policy and includes the link you need to reach their support form. On that page, look for the option that says Send us a request and select it. That's the doorway to submitting your deletion request. On the request form, fill out the required fields carefully. Choose the category that relates to account deletion, include your Depop username, the email associated with the account, and a short, clear note stating you want your account permanently deleted. Keep it concise and accurate. If there's a field for attachments, you generally don't need to include anything unless support specifically asks for it later. Double check your details to make sure they match your account. When everything looks correct, click Submit. That's the formal request sent to Depop's support team. After submitting, keep an eye on your email inbox, including your spam folder, for any follow-up from Depop. They may ask you to confirm the request or verify ownership for security reasons, and responding promptly helps speed things up. Deletion is typically permanent, so be sure you've saved any information you need before requesting removal. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your Depop account deletion request using the official Help Center process. Thanks for watching and take care.